Okay. Now we move on to the program of the day. I'm going to announce the names of the finalists of Mathematics and Mental Ability Quiz. We have 2G Arnav Tiwari from St. Xavier's School, Bokaro Steel City. 2U Arush Chatterjee, Sanskriti School, New Delhi. 3A Beatrice D. Quadros Schmidt from Colegio Salvatorino Nossa Senhora de Fatima from Brazil. Daniel Panin from Slavic Anglo-American School, Marina, that is Russia. The code is 3B. Nishat Nabila from 3F, Dhaka City College, Bangladesh. 2H, Prasoon Krishna Yadav from MPVM, Ganga Gurukulam, Prayagraj. 2X, Prerak Agarwal from City Montessori School, Chowk Campus. 2P, Ronit Gupta, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. 3E, Saleh Al-Naji, Jubilee School, Jordan. 2F, Soumya Bisht, Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow. 2E, Supratim Das from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota. All the very best to all the participants. It is maths today. And I think it is one of the subjects which I stopped understanding when the alphabet decided to get involved. So I think you people are really great. You have a proper logic. Logic is applied over here. Reasoning is applied. And mathematics may not teach us to add love or subtract. Somebody has said, mathematics may not teach us to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. So all the very best. Now, before I hand over the mic to the quiz master, let me introduce her. She is, again, Mrs. Shivani Tiwari, our own staff member, a postgraduate in mathematics from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, has been a gold medalist in the teachers training program, has been teaching for the last 22 years and has won many debates. She has a flair for writing poetry both in English and Hindi. And mind you, she has played cricket at the district level too. She took maths delegation to Singapore and has won various prizes and has been a team leader for various international events. So over to you, Mrs. Shivani Tiwari, for the rest of the proceedings. All the very best to all the students.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Privileged to hear all what I have done. I didn't even knew that I've done so much. Thank you so much once again, ma'am. Greetings to one and all present here, be it online or offline. And my welcome is going to travel the entire globe because we have all international participants and participants from our very own country, India. Special greetings and congratulations once again to the participants who have actually proved their grit, who have done a lot of brain flexing in the written round and have qualified to be here. And now they are going to put up a strong fight for the prestigious crown. Mathematics, ladies and gentlemen, provides an effective way of building discipline, and it encourages logical reasoning and mental rigor. In addition to this, mathematical knowledge plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other subjects, other disciplines, be it science, be it social science, music, and even arts. Mathematics becomes a habit of mind fundamental of national prosperity, reason of economic development. Not only this, mathematics is a creative discipline with international language and transcends cultural boundaries, and the most important feature of mathematics is, as ma'am told earlier, that it teaches you that every problem has a solution. In addition to that, it also teaches you what is the value of x. So here in today's quiz, we are going to find out who lives up to the spirit of the quiz and who bags the prestigious title. We have 12 teams here, and after the elimination round, we will be selecting best 8 who will go forward and play the final round. Now, I do recognize the fact that this will be a matter of luck and how your stars move today. Are they moving in rectilinear path or are they taking the projectile way? But trust me, whether you bag a point or not, whether you win the title or not, the person who you will be after the quiz will definitely be more enriched, more learned, and more knowledgeable. Let me tell you the rules for the elimination round. We will be having 3 rounds in the elimination. 2 will be based on mental ability and 1 will be based on mathematics. There will be a time limit in which you will be answering the questions. We will be giving you 45 seconds to answer. Correct answer is going to fetch you plus 10. And unfortunately, if you land up with a wrong answer, don't be afraid, you won't go empty-handed. We will be gifting you the smallest whole number possible. Now, whether it's going to be of any use or not, that you have to decide. And by the way, the thing which we are going to hand you over is a very, very crucial contribution of ancient Indian mathematics, Aryabhat. So don't you take it lightly, because there are, even more mean things over there like negative marking, which we will be doing in the tiebreaker round. So as there is no negative marking, you can definitely give your luck a chance. Maybe an informed and intelligent guess can work wonders for you. Now, let me quickly tell you the rules which you already know, which you've already been informed. Please ensure that you have a strong network connection. Kindly ensure that you are attempting this quiz alone. Your camera should be on all the time, failing which you might miss your turn, and the question may be passed to the other participant. Now, passing of the question will not carry any marks, but of course, you can test your knowledge once again. So let's begin with the first round. The first round is the reasoning test for you. I repeat again, you will be getting 45 seconds to give your answer. In this round, you have to observe the 2 grids and identify the image that will replace the question mark. I'll show you the sample slide so that you get the idea of what is to be done actually. This is the sample slide for you. Observe the 2 grids and you have to tell which of the figures will fit in the question mark. You can give it a try, though it is a sample question, but you can give it a try. Anybody can give it a try.
Is it E?
Ma'am, E.
E.
It is option E. You get all the accolades over there, all praises, but no points. Your actual thing starts now. Okay? All right. So the first question will go to team 2L. team 2L. Participant ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best to you. Here is your question. Identify which picture replaces the question mark.
Option D.
Option
D.
D is the right answer. Very well done. We have a wonderful beginning with you, Team 2L, and we hope for more answers coming in as we move further to Team 2G. Team 2G.
Yes, Miss.
Ready? After answering this, you can go to a Halloween party also if you wish.
Miss, option C.
Option C is absolutely the right answer. Very well done again. Congratulations and full 10 points to you over there.
Thank you, Miss.
Moving further to Team 2U. Team 2U.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best to you too. Your slide.
Ma'am, it's option F.
Option F is the right answer. What a beginning we are having in this. I can smell the fragrance of success. I can see how difficult it is going to be for everybody, how encouraging, how enthusiastic our participants are. Absolutely right answer. And with the same spirit, we move on to Team 3A. Team 3A. Participant ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here's your slide.
Option F.
Option F is the right answer. Option F is the right answer. You can pat your back over there. Congratulations and full marks to you.
Check the camera. 2P.
Participant from Team 2P, please check your camera. Okay, we move on to Team 3B. Team 3B.
Yes, I'm there.
All the best. And we are there too. This is your slide.
Hmm.
Time is ticking. Keep track of that time.
Perhaps it is answer G.
Answer G is not
Answer
the right
G.
answer. Say that again.
Answer G. Oh,
That's not the right answer. The correct option is option E. Option.
all right.
Okay, better luck next time. So we move on to Team 3F. Team
Yes,
3F.
ma'am.
Your question. What replaces the question mark? Time is ticking.
It's option F.
It is option F. Absolutely right answer. Absolutely right answer. Plus 10 marks for you over there. Congratulations. Moving further to team 2H. Team 2H.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best. And here comes your slide. Answer it sincerely and you can eat them later.
Ma'am, E.
E is absolutely the right answer. Well done. And you can give yourself a smile. Okay, that's
Yes,
the right answer. Full marks for you and your team. Well done. Team 2X. Team 2X.
Yes, ma'am.
Participant ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here is your slide.
Option B.
Option
B.
is not the right answer. It's not the right answer. The correct option is option F. Option F is the right answer. Moving further to team 2P. Team 2P.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your question. This is so cute.
Ma'am, is it C?
If you're asking me, child, I am very bad at reasoning.
Ma'am, it's option C.
Option C, you said option C.
Yes, ma'am.
That's not the right answer, I'm afraid. The correct option is option E. Option E is the right answer. Okay, let's move further to team 3E. Team 3E. Participant ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You're sitting in quite a bit dark room, I believe. And can you light up your room a little, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. There should always be light in the world, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Your question. Are you carrying a mobile in your hand?
What?
You were carrying a mobile in your hand, some sort of device? Please don't.
No.
Identify what goes in place of question mark. Give a careful look to the first slide. The time is up and I can press you for the answer now.
E.
Say
The
that
answer
again.
is E. E. The answer is E.
That's the wrong answer, I'm afraid to say so. The correct option is option B. Now, second last question of this round is for team 2F. Team 2F.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your slide is here on your screen.
Ma'am, it's E.
Option E is the right answer. It is absolutely correct. Congratulations. Full 10 marks for you. And the last question of this round goes to team 2E. Team 2E.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best to you. Let's end it on a nice note.
E.
Option E is not the right answer. You lose out your points over there. The correct option is option D. Option D. All the best for the next round. So we are moving on to the second round of the quiz, which is based on mathematics. The order will be the same in which I have questioned you earlier. So participants should be ready accordingly. The first participant will be from team 2L. Team 2L. There's no sample slide for this. Okay. So this is your question, team 2L.
Yes.
Which one of the following is the graph of fx is equal to minus mod x?
Option A.
Option A is the wrong answer. Option A is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. Team 2G. Team 2G.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Your question is here on the screen now. In the given figure below, AD, BE, and CF are diameters. Q is the center of the circle, and angle EQD is 100 degrees. The shaded area is 1/12 of the area of the circle. Find the value of x.
100. You have 100 degree. You have 20 degree. It's option C.
Option C is absolutely right. Absolutely right. And I love your action over there. You need to rejoice. You have all the reasons to rejoice. Very good. And this is exactly what I told you in the beginning. Mathematics teaches you the value of your x, right? Okay. Coming to the next point. Team 2U.
Yes, ma'am.
Team 2U. In the figure, the yellow polygon which has equal sides and equal angles, is partially covered with a sheet of blank paper. If x plus y is 80, how many sides does the polygon have? Part of the diagram is covered with a blank sheet of paper. X plus y is 80 degrees. Keep track of time. Time is up. Can I press you for the answer now?
Ma'am, is it option C?
Option C is not the right answer. Option B, that is 9 sides, is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So moving further to team 3A. Team 3A. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best, and your question is here on your screen. The parabola has the origin as its focus and line x is equal to 2 as the directrix. Then the vertex of the parabola is at which of the following points?
Letter B.
Option B is the right answer. Very well done. Congratulations. You get full 10 marks for your effort. Team 3B, you are the next. Catch the
Yes.
energy from there. Catch the energy from there and give your answer. Team 3B.
Yes, all right.
Okay, all the best. Here comes your question. In the figure given below, the pointer O rotates anti-clockwise at the rate of 5 degrees per second, and pointer P rotates clockwise at the rate of 9 degrees per second. How many complete revolutions will P have made when O completes the given number of complete revolutions?
Mhm. I guess it is option B.
I think your guess is not right. The correct option is option A. Option A is the right answer. So we move on with team 3F. Team 3F.
Yes, ma'am.
Participant ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a look at the slide. The graph of the function f and g in the interval x is equal to -2 to x is equal to 2 is shown below. Which of the following expresses g in terms of f? Express g in terms of f.
Ma'am, it's option B.
Option B is absolutely right. Very well done. Option B is absolutely right answer. You get full points for your correct, good effort. Okay. We now move on to team 2H. Team 2H, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So is your question. In the figure given below, QM is the angular bisector of angle PQR. What is the equation of QM? What is the equation of QM?
Ma'am, C.
C is the right answer. Very well done. Good work. That's absolutely right. Full marks for your effort. Again, congratulations for that. And we come to team 2X now. Team 2X.
Yes, ma'am.
Participant ready?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
question. In the given figure, the blue curve represents a function. Which color represents the second derivative of this function? Which color represents the second derivative of this function?
Option B.
Option B is the right answer. Absolutely correct. You get your hard work earned as plus 10 points in your kitty. Very well done. Team 2P.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have your question here on the screen. Which of these graphs represents a function?
Ma'am, option D.
It is option D. Very well done. Full marks. Good effort and quite prompt. Very good. Team 3E, it's your turn now. Team 3E, it's your turn now. Are you ready? Team 3E.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Your question is here on your screen. In the figure given below, there is a rectangle and 8 semicircles of equal diameter. If the length of the rectangle is 24, what is the length of the curved path? Length of the curved path.
D.
Option D is not the right answer. The right answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Second last question of this round is for team 2F.
Yes, ma'am.
Team 2F. Here's your question. Which geometric construction is shown in the diagram given below? Which geometric construction is shown in the diagram below?
Ma'am, D.
Option D is absolutely the right answer. Very well done. Full marks again for you over there. And on this positive note, let's move on to team 2E. Team 2E.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is here on the screen. In the figure given below, what is the range of G of F, or GOF as it is generally said? Range of G of F.
B.
Option B is the right answer. Very good. That perfect 10 marks goes in your kitty for the right answer. Very well done. And with this, we come to the third round of the elimination part of the quiz. And this will be based on mental ability. This round will be based on mental ability. I'll tell you exactly what you have to do over here. There will be 4 images with similar objects. You have to identify which is different from others. That means it's basically finding the odd one out. Okay, and I'll show you the sample slide. I'll show you the sample slide so that you have an idea. Can we have the sample slide, please? Thank you. It's a beautiful picture. It is for everybody to try it out because it's just a sample slide. Anybody can give it a try.
Ma'am, D.
Option D is the right answer. Can you tell what is the odd one out thing over there? Yes, one of the droplet is missing in the 4th picture. Good. So similarly, it's that easy. You have to play, you have to win the points, and you have to bag secure position for the next final round. Okay. All right. So we now move on with the questions for this round. My first question goes to team 2L. Team 2L. Participant ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. Identify the odd one out.
Ma'am, B.
Option B is the right answer. Absolutely right answer. And what was missing? The mirror.
Rear view mirror.
Yes, rear view mirror, to be very specific. Very good. So you get full marks over there. And with this, we move on to team 2G. Team 2G, it's your turn to take the question. Find the odd one out.
It's option B.
It is option B. And what is the thing which is missing or is more over there?
There is something on that circle that's missing.
There's something on that circle, and you are absolutely right. And we give you an additional 1 with the circle, and that makes a 10 point, perfect 10 point for your team. Well done. Team 2U.
Yes,
Team
ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Your slide. Find the odd one out. Keep the time constraint in your mind. The time is up. Can we have an answer from you?
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Option A is not the right answer. Option A is not the right answer. And actually, let's see what the correct answer is. That's the correct answer. Slide C was not welcoming at all. That welcome sign was missing in slide C. Okay, better luck next time. Team 3A.
Yes,
Team,
ma'am.
okay. Your question is here on the slide. Find the odd one out. Which slide is the odd one out?
Letter C.
You say option C, and I do agree. Option C is the right answer because one of the spoons is missing in the C slide. Well done. Full points over there. Congratulations. Team 3B. Team 3B.
Yes,
your
yes,
turn.
that's me.
Yes, all the best.
Mhm.
Find which picture is the odd one out.
Mhm. I guess it is option A.
You guess it is option A, and I say it with full conviction. It is option A. You bag full points once again. Congratulations. Very good. And this is positivity is missing in slide A, right? That is a plus sign which is missing.
Yes.
So well done. Team 3F. Team 3F.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, all others who have won the points, and all the best to the ones who are coming. Team 3F, your turn.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B is absolutely right. Absolutely right. You get the slide over there. And is missing in the words written over there. Full marks for you. Team 2H, let's continue to keep winning points now. Team 2H.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your question is over here.
Ma'am, C.
Option C is the right answer, and it comes very quickly, very well observed. Congratulations and full points for your effort over there. Team 2X. Next is your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is your slide. Keep track of time. The time is up. Can I press you for the answer now, Team 2X?
Ma'am, is it C?
If you ask me, I don't know. But anyways, since the time is up, I need to give the right answer. The correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. You see the spelling over there does not match with the others. Okay, better luck next time. And you need to be actually, all the participants need to be really, really relaxed. Take a deep breath and focus on the questions. Team 2P, it's your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
Team 2P,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Team 2P, your camera is switched off, I believe.
Don't see 2P, so ma'am, move ahead if she has having some.
Ma'am, let me check. Ma'am, it should be
Team
option-
2P, and please ensure that your camera is on for the full event. Okay. Okay. Team 2P, your slide is here. Find the odd one out.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C is the right or wrong answer. That let's see. Okay. Team 2P gives the correct answer now and full marks for you. It is option C. Somebody has stolen a pencil from there. I hope it's not you, Team 2P.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, congratulations. Then our next question is for Team 3E. Team 3E.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is here on your screen. Find the odd one out.
It is A.
It
The name
is
is
option
missing.
A. It is
Yeah.
option A. You've given the right answer. And again, we have lots of thieves over here. Somebody has stolen a nail now. Okay, so we don't have total proper number of nails in picture A. That's the odd one out. Team 2F, I believe you are ready now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which picture do you think is the odd one out?
Ma'am, A.
You think A?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see whether you are right or not in the answer slide. You are absolutely right. The two pores are missing in that cover. The others are having it, and the oxygen is denied in the first one. So that is the odd one out. Absolutely right answer. Full points to you. Last question of the elimination round goes to Team 2E. Team 2E.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best. Let's end it on a very, very positive note. Answer this, and later on you can have a cup of coffee.
D. Ma'am, the option is D.
Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. And let's see. Okay, this mark doesn't have a strong black base. That's absolutely right. Full points to you. And before we move on to the next round, let's see whether we require some tiebreaker rounds or not. We are looking for basically 8 teams now. And let's see, Team 2G, Team 3A, Team 3F, Team 2H, and Team 2F. You have already secured a place. You've already secured a place in the final round, which we are going to play. These are 5 teams. with 30 points each. And those who have qualified with 20 points are Team 2L, Team 2P, Team 2E. That makes a total of 8. So no tiebreaker is required. I'm happy to see this. Congratulations to each one of you who have made it to the next round. And all the best to the other participants who have tried their level best. And make sure that you are not going to lose out anything. You are just having an enriching experience. You are going back a bit more knowledgeable, a bit more learned. It's all a total learning process which we do. So I am sure that these teams, I'm repeating again, Team 2G, Team 3A, Team 3F, Team 2H, Team 2F, Team 2L, 2P, and 2E. These are the ones who are going to play the final round with us. Okay? Any problems, any doubts? I'm sure no. Okay, so we move on to round 4 with these 8 teams. The questions in this particular round will be based on mathematics, especially geometry. Okay, all set? Are you all ready? My first question, and this will not have any sample slide, mind you. The first question is for Team 2G. Team 2G, are you ready? May I have a nod from you? Are you ready, Team 2G?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Here's your question. In the figure given below, the rectangle ABCD lies in the XY coordinate plane so that its sides are not parallel to the axis. What is the product of the slopes of all 4 sides?
Miss A.
It is A. That's the right answer. Absolutely right. And I'm really wondering how quick you can be, because very nice. You can be proud of yourself. Good work. Okay. Second question of the round goes to Team 3A. Team 3A.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay. Your question is here on your screen. In the figure given below, the shaded region depicts which of the following? Which of the following options is suitable for the shaded region shown?
Letter B.
Say that again.
Letter B.
It is option B. That's the right answer. That's absolutely correct. Full marks for your work over there. Congratulations. Team 3F. Team
May I?
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question, please.
Yes, please.
The participant who didn't qualify to the finals, we should leave or what?
I believe that it will be an enriching experience if you stay with us. It will help you in your future. That's what I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That will be a learning experience for you.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Yes. Team 3F.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your question is here on your screen now. In the figure given below, the lines A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 cuts the coordinate axis in concyclic points if which of the following conditions is true?
Ma'am, option D.
Option D, I'm afraid, is not the right answer. It is option A. Option A is the right answer for the particular question. All the best for your next round, next question. And team 2H, I hope you are ready. Team
Yes, ma'am.
2H, your question is here before you. In the figure given below, the line segment drawn from the vertex opposite to the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle to the points trisecting the hypotenuse have lengths sine x and cos x. Then the length of the hypotenuse is given by length of the hypotenuse is given by
Ma'am, A.
it is not the right answer. The right answer is option C. Option C is the right answer, but I'm sure you must have tried all your grit and wit. Anyways, sometimes it happens. Let's move on to team 2F.
Yes, ma'am.
Team 2F. Okay. The number of solutions of sine y is equal to sine x in this particular figure represented is the number of solutions of sine y equal to sine x.
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, A.
A is not the right answer. In fact, option D is the right answer. We are going by option D. Okay. Team 2L, it's your turn now. Team 2L.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you. And here's your question. The common tangents to the circles x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0 form a triangle PQR, which is which of the following?
Option B.
Option
B.
Option B is the right answer. Very well done. Give yourself a smile. Very good. You look good when you smile. Okay. Proceeding to team 2P. Team 2P.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are coming to you. Team 2P. Okay. Here you are. And here's your question. The figure shows a square divided into 4 rectangular regions, 3 of which have area 5x, 5x, and x squared. If the area of MNOP is 64, what is the area of the square QROS? Area of the square QROS.
Ma'am, option B.
You say option B.
B.
I'm not very clear.
Ma'am, 25.
25 is absolutely the right answer. And next time you will hold your speaker near your mouth so that it's very clear to me also. But anyways, full marks for you. Yes, now you're smiling. Okay. Last question of round 4 is for team 2E. Team 2E, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 2 straight lines through an external point P intersect the circle in Q, R, R dash, and Q dash. The tangents at Q and Q dash intersect at P, and tangents at R and R dash intersect at T dash. Name the green dotted line which you see in the figure.
Ma'am, B. Option B.
It is option B. That's the right answer. Absolutely right answer. Well done. This round is ending on a very good note. Participant has, of course, bagged in 10 points. Well done. But still, there's a lot of fight to go. Because we come to the second round, which will be based on mental ability. Now, I'll just brief you about this round and will, of course, show you the sample slide. You have to see the slide carefully. As the dice rolls, you will be expected to identify the image from the options which are given below on your slide. Okay, to explain it better, let me show you the sample slide. Can we have the sample slide? Yes. As this rolls, you will be, it started rolling now. Okay. So you have to tell what fills the question mark. Anybody can give it a try. This is a sample slide. So if you don't try it, you are going to have some difficulty in the main question round. So you can just, you say option B, and I do respect that. It is option B. That was the right answer. Full credit, no points. Points will follow now. Okay. So as you have understood this round, we move on with the questions for you. The first question will be displayed for team 2G. Team 2G.
Yes, miss.
Your question. Uh-oh. Must have never thought playing Angry Birds could be that much scoring.
Miss, I would say option B.
Sir, I will not go by your option. B is not the right option. The right option is option B.
Miss, I said B.
You said B for Bombay
Yes,
or
miss.
ball, right?
Yes, miss.
And I said D for doll.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Coming to the second question for team 3A. Team 3A.
Yes, ma'am.
And your slide goes. Yes, please. Please help this person who is sitting beneath the question mark asking.
Letter A.
Can you come again, please?
Letter A.
Can I get the help from my tech team? What the answer is she saying?
The first one. The blue one. Letter A.
The first one. Okay. All right. That's the right answer. That's the right answer. And you get full marks for that. Very good. Team 3F. Team 3F.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best to you too. And your slide starts rolling.
Ma'am, is it option B?
You're asking?
No, ma'am, it's option B.
It is option B. You're such a confident participant I've seen. Very good. Very well done. It is option B. Full marks for your intelligence over there in your kitty. Good. Coming to the next question, and this is for team 2H. Team 2H.
Yes, ma'am.
We're gifting you flowers. Okay.
Ma'am, A.
It is not the right answer. It's not the right answer. The person sitting beneath the question wants flower D. Okay, D is the right answer over there. Team 2F, your
Yes.
turn. Team 2F,
Yes, ma'am.
it's your turn now. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Okay.
Ma'am, D.
Option D is the right answer. You are sending this emoji in the right house. Absolutely wonderful. You get full points for your hard work. Team 2L. Team
Yes.
2L.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your question is here on your screen. Okay.
Option B.
Option B is the right answer. You have selected absolutely correct kite for the person. So team 2L, do you fly kites?
Yes, ma'am, sometimes.
Sometimes. That's nice. You should do it. Otherwise, this age-old thing is going to die, right? Okay. Team 2P, your question now.
Yes.
Team 2P. Can we pin team 2P?
Ma'am, it's option D.
It is option D. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. And before I give you marks, just let me know, do you trouble your mother when she cooks this option D for you?
No, ma'am.
Ah, you're such a sweet boy. Then I'll give you full marks. Okay. All right. Last question for this round goes to team 2E. Team 2E.
Yes, ma'am. B.
Option B is not the right answer. Option B is not the right answer. The right answer is option A. So better luck. You still have one more round to go. And again, just a reminder for participants, this is the last round of the final segment. So do not leave any stone unturned. Try your best. That's the only thing which you can do. And I'm sure the best team is going to win. Okay. Now, let me brief you a little. This round is based on mathematics, especially probability. Probability, everybody knows the basic things related to probability. Probability holds the key for enabling us to better understand, process, and interpret the vast amounts of all quantitative data that exists around us, and to have a probabilistic sense in situations of uncertainty. Now, that's so important to know what are the chances in favor or against, that we've included this in our quiz for today. So here also, I'll be showing you the sample slide for probability. Okay. Can we have the sample slide? In the figure given below, a circle is divided into sectors of different colors, and a point is selected at random in the circle. What is the probability that it lies in the red sector?
B.
It is option A. It is option A. Very well done. Very well tried. And I hope this will be the level of promptness even in the other questions to come. So for my first question, I would request team 2G to be ready. Team
Yes.
2G. Okay. Your take on this. What is the probability that a random point lies in the red region of the diagram below?
It's option A, 1/2.
It is option A, 1/2. Full marks for you and all accolades, all praises for you. Very well done. Team 3A, team 3A.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. In the figure given below, PQRS is a rectangle. ABCD are midpoints of the respective sides. An arrow is shot at random onto the rectangle PQRS. Calculate the probability that the arrow strikes triangle AQB. Triangle AQB.
Letter B.
Come again?
Letter B, the second option.
It is the second option. It is the second option. We give you full marks, but we will not give anything to this person who is striking the arrow. Look where he is shooting that arrow. Okay, not even close. So, team 3F, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. Here we send your question. In the figure given below, what is the probability that the pointer does not stop either at red or brown? It does not stop either at red or brown.
Ma'am, it's option D.
It is option D. It is option D. Pat your back from my side, okay? And you can eat a chocolate also from my side. Whenever we meet, I'll give you yours. Very well done. Very well done. Team 2H, it's your turn to win my chocolates now. Team 2H.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here's your question. What is the probability of a point lying inside the smaller circle of radius 4? Probability of a point lying inside the smaller circle of radius 4.
Ma'am, C.
Absolutely right answer. Absolutely right answer. It is option C, and I owe you a chocolate. So let's see when we meet. Till then, keep eating your chocolates, okay? Team 2F. Team 2F.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope you're ready.
Yes.
Okay. 6 peas have to be placed in the squares of the diagram given below, such that each column contains at least 1 pea. In how many ways can this be done? each column contains at least one P.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B is absolutely the right answer. Very well done. Really brilliant minds fighting for the crown, I must say. Very good. Team 2L. Team 2L.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the figure given below, if two switches S1 and S2 have respectively 90% and 80% chances of working, find the probability that the circuit will work. The circuit will work. The time is up, so can I press you for the answer?
Option B.
Option B, I'm afraid, is not the right answer. Right answer is option A, the first one. Team 2P. Team 2P.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your question is here. In the figure given below, what is the probability that a marble will be dropped into compartment F?
Ma'am, what
What
is
will
N
be
here?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what is the purpose of N here?
What is the purpose of N is up to you to decide. See, you'll play the marbles also and you'll ask the purpose also. That's not fair. Whatever is N, the other thing is having double of that. Just think that way.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not actually required. What does N signify?
Ma'am, option C, 2/9.
You are absolutely right. Absolutely right. Very well done. And I'm sure you are good at marbles too. Are you? Do you play marbles?
Ma'am, not that much.
Okay. Come to me, I'll teach you. I play a lot of marbles.
Okay.
Okay. And the last question for this round is for team 2E. Team 2E. Your question. In the figure given below, if two switches S1 and S2 have respectively 90% and 80% chances of working, what is the probability that the circuit will work?
Option A.
Option A is the right answer. Absolutely brilliant. It is the right answer and full marks in your kitty. Very well done, all the participants. Excellent. Let's see if we have got our winners or do we have to go for the tiebreaker round? Let me see the scores projected. Okay, so it's never easy if a lot of intelligent people are fighting for the same thing. We have tie for first place between team 3A and 2P. We have a tie for the first place between teams 3A and 2P. So whoever answers the question correct in the tiebreaker round, which carries negative marking also, okay, will be the first, and the other one will obtain the second position. And moreover, we have a tie for third place as well. And can you guess how many teams are there for the third place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Team 2G, Team 3F, Team 2F, Team 2L, and Team 2E. They will be fighting for the third position in the quiz. Wow, it's so exciting. So let's first have teams 3A and team 2P who are going to fight for the first position. Basically, you will be first among equals, right? There's no first, there's no second. All of you are brilliant. So, but still, let's see. Teams 3A and 2P, let me tell you, this round will carry negative marking. And the correct option you have to send to the host. Option A, B, C, D, whatever you feel is the correct option, you have to type your message in the chat box and send it to host only. Am I clear with my instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can open that chat box so that you don't waste your time, but make sure you do it as soon as possible. Okay? Tiebreaker round, only team 3A and 2P are supposed to answer. Okay? We go with the first question now. Find the missing number in the question mark. You have to type the correct option. Okay, I can see that the teams are playing defensive.
P says D.
2P says D, takes the risk and gains it. Absolutely brilliant, I must say. Now I will teach you marbles also. I will give you a treat also. Okay, team 2P. Excellent, I'm impressed. So team 2P bags the first position. Team 3A secures the second position. Very well tried, very well tried. And I'm absolutely impressed. Okay, now it is for teams 2G, 3F, 2F, 2L, and 2E. Okay, these are the 5 teams who are going to play the second question with me. Okay, I hope the instructions are clear. Here we go. Fill in the position having the question mark.
2L says A.
2L says A, and this is a perfect example that if you take risk, you of course gain most of the times. That is the right answer. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Team 2L secures the third position. We also have one more chance for you. Okay. And team 2G, team 3F, team 2F, and team 2E will be playing this particular question. Okay. All right. Here's your question.
Three F says B.
3F says B, and that's the wrong answer. 3F says B, and that's the wrong answer. So 3F is eliminated from this round. And now the next question will be played by team 2G, 2F, and 2E. Okay, 2G, 2F, and 2E. You will be playing the next question, which is here.
E says A.
2E says option A. And that's the right answer. That's absolutely the right answer. Is it team 2E? Okay, so team 2E is placed fourth. Still, the last chance is for team 2G and 2F. Team 2G and 2F, you still have one more chance. Come on, go for it. Here's your question. Team 2G and team 2F. None of them are ready to take chance. Okay, so since nobody is willing to take chance, we are changing the question now. Teams 2G and team 2F, you are getting a new question now, okay? And it's here on your screen. Okay, that's a bit too defensive. I think
Two F says B.
team 2F says B, and that is the right answer. Team 2F says B, that's absolutely the right answer. you bag your position very, very firmly. Absolutely brilliant. I loved the way you all did not give in at all. At all. And before the results are officially announced, I should really thank all of you to have me here. Because that is brilliant experience to, host this quiz, seeing young minds fighting judiciously to reach the coveted title, and the attitude of never giving up. That's what keeps everyone going. Thank you for having me once again. Keep shining, stay healthy, keep learning, keep growing. And as it is said, that good events never end. They just take a pause and they keep us awaiting for the next turn. So see you soon, maybe next year. All the best to each one of you. And now over to Ma'am Aditi Sharma, Secretary of Quanta 2021.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, please.
Miss, may I request you to check the timings of that question where we had to add the squares? Miss, I think I had given the answer earlier.
I'll definitely go back to the tech team, and in case if there's any discrepancy, you will be informed. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Thank you so much.
So thank you, Shivani, for conducting the quiz so beautifully. Once again, I'm sure each one of you had a wonderful time with ma'am's one-line witty statements in between the quiz to keep you energized and focused on the questions. So it was a maths and mental ability quiz, and somebody has said that maths is beautiful, but sometimes it can be hard to see and even harder to convey to students who don't think it beautiful. But I'm sure that here today differs and is convinced by the second opinion. It was very evident the way you exhibited your math skills in the just concluded maths and mental ability quiz. Here I'd like to quote Albert Einstein, where he said, "Pure mathematics in its way is the poetry of the logical ideas." And it's impossible to be a mathematician without being a poet in soul, was something which one of the Russian mathematicians had said. And in the introduction of a quiz master this afternoon, Shamama ma'am mentioned that Shivani is an excellent poetess herself. So she is a gold medalist in mathematics as well as a poetess. So I think she is a true example of what the Russian mathematician has said during her lifetime, that if you are an excellent mathematician, you are a poet yourself as well. So congratulations to all the 12 participants who qualified the written round and made their place to the finals. A huge I can see Weber's all smiles, because I think 3 A's from your team, Weber. Can you hear me? The participant 3 A's from your team. God, hear me. I think he's not able to hear me. So here are the winners. They've already been announced. So we have at 5th position, team 2F, represented by Soumya Bisht from Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow. At 4th position, we have Supratim Das, representing team 2E, and he's from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota. At 3rd position, we had Abhigyan Gopal Bhartaria. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. He represents team 2L, and he's from City Montessori School, Mahanagar campus. At 2nd, we had Beatrice de Quadros Schmidt from Brazil. and he represented team A. Yes, I can see Weber's excited, and that's what I was saying. I think he's from your team. And of course, the winner of today's quiz is Ronit Gupta, representing team 2P. You were brilliant, Ronit. And he is from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road campus. So congratulations to all the winners. And like Shivani just mentioned, we are keeping our fingers crossed. We hope to see all of you in person in Lucknow next year. And we pray that each one of you stays safe in the meantime so that we can meet you and welcome you with open arms to Quanta 2022. And if we have it next year or in 23, it's going to be a silver jubilee Quanta. So it's going to be really grand and special. So we want you all here in person. So congratulations once again, and thank you for joining us. We hope to see you at the closing and valedictory ceremony tomorrow at 4 p.m. IST. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So just 1 minute. I can see our respected founder director has joined us, and I hope. So lovely having you here with us. And we've just concluded the quiz. Ma'am, we would like you to share your input as well.
Most respected, Honorable Principal, Madam Aditi Sharma ji. It is my proud privilege to have joined this Quanta. I never knew it is so difficult to understand. I could not understand even a line. I don't know what is all this A, B, C, D all the time, So I could not follow a single thing. But I know children were very much attentive. And even the teachers were very much happy. So if they are happy, I am happy. If they are attentive, I am attentive. But I just want to praise the dedication and the depth of knowledge. Our children learn all this. That is the reason we, organize these competitions. This Quanta is competition for, I suppose, computers.
Science, mathematics, computers, and speech.
Speech also. Turn
Yes,
code.
it's going on at the other, on the other link right now.
Simultaneously.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a great achievement. And I yet have to know a principal of your caliber, besides, being busy in all the academic work, nurturing children in all walks of life, seeing their personality. I have seen the children so musical and so much, talented. So you are developing their capabilities. I think they will remember for their whole life. The dedication, your teachers work hard, and so many countries have also participated. I heard the speech of your